Work break snack time, and it's another nimchua. I hear that you guys are super interested about this. Again, this is raw fermented pork. It's from Vietnam, and it's so good. It's a good measure. I also like to take Arceflora before, because I don't know. At the end of the day, it's fermented, but it's still from raw pork, just in case the pork that was used is not good quality. But this is good, actually. Galing Vietnam talaga. For today, I'm gonna be eating my nimchua with two sauces. I'm not sure if you guys can see. Baka matapon. Ayan. Anyway, this one, the darker one is a Thai spicy dipping sauce. Gustong gusto ko to. Paubos na siya. So, konti lang nilalagay ko. Usually, ina-add ko rin siya sa steak. Ayan, recommended siya for steaks. But masarap siya sa any type of meat. Kaya I like doing it with nimchua. And then today, I'm also testing another spicy and sour dipping sauce. Nakita ko lang siya sa TikTok, this one. It's, naglalaway na ako. If hindi kayo masyadong mahilig sa maanghang, ako minsan pag sobrang anghang ng sili na kasama, medyo tinatanggal ko siya. But, tingnan natin. Hindi ko sure ito. So, try natin yung isa. And then, if manghang, tatanggalin natin yung iba. For sobrang anghang. I'm dipping it with yung Thai dipping sauce. So, can't complain. Tolerable yung sili. So, hindi mo natatanggalin. Very watery siya. Ang hirap na kunin kasi watery. Ito naman, maalat. Bagoong undertones. Kaya siguro sa mga nilalagay. May pagkaalat. Konting asin. Alam niyo, pag nalagyan niyo yung konting suka, yung bagoong. Ganun yung lasa niya. Baka masarap na sa mangga. Try natin bukas sa mangga. Ang sarap niya dito sa Thai spicy dipping sauce. I mean, ano yung loob niya? It's so good. Try natin ulit dun sa isang sausawan. Okay naman tong isa. Kaso kasi may timpla na yung chua, diba? Tapos medyo maalat yung sauce. Feeling ko mas okay tong sausawan sa fruits. So, yun natin mukbang. We're gonna try it with fruits, but okay naman siya here. Yung iba lang meron silang whole pepper sa loob. Minsan nakagat ko. Ang harap. Try nyo rin. It's super good. Bye!